Next stage, I drip the ordinary peeling solution all over my face, especially over the areas I just derma rolled / micro needled. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I just really want to get something really straight, clarify something, and also to just address some questions that I've been getting a lot. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm not gonna get too much, I'm not gonna talk too much in this video. I just want to clarify something for you guys today, because a lot of persons or a lot of people have been messaging me as it relates to this particular product here, the ordinary AHA BHA 2% 32% peeling solution. All right, and this particular comment really, it shocked me so much, and it's just shocking that somebody could actually type that in such detailed, or in so much detail, and something as crazy and something as scary as what I'm going to be reading to you right now. So just continue watching, stick around, like, subscribe, and all of those jazz. But just let me read to you what this person commented. I'm going to, hide the person's information just for privacy's sake, and also I kind of remove the message just because I think it's a little bit harmful, and I don't want that type of information to be spread under my video. I don't want anybody to be like, really, it works, let me try it. I don't want that type of information. So I just made sure I commented under it, told the person to not do that, and also I made sure that I removed it. But I didn't want to just remove it because I think that it is still informative, or it would still be an opportunity to inform others or to make them aware. So this is the reason why I'm creating this video, and also just to clarify some questions that I have been receiving. Okay, so I'm going to read this message right now. All right, so I think this person was responding in response to a comment that a person made, and I commented under that. I don't quite remember what the comment was. I would have to go back to the comment, but I think the person was just asking where they could get the product and so forth and whatever. But this person commented and said, I've got the ordinary peeling solution. Here's how I use it to get best results. Okay, and this is the Ordinary, on the Ordinary's website. They didn't promote, and they blatantly tell you to not put stuff on your face that is going to compromise the product from working. You know what I'm saying? Or it's going to compromise your skin. All right, but listen, this person said, I've got the ordinary peeling solution. Here's how I use it. Okay, ready? I use a derma roller / micro needle and repeatedly roll the derma roller across my entire face, especially over my cheeks, my forehead, sometimes repeatedly over these areas. Next stage, I drip the ordinary peeling solution all over my face, especially over the areas I just derma rolled / micro needled, so that the product will soak in better and deeper into the skin, so that the solution will work 10 times better and be more effective. It will initially sting at first, and for some it will sting for a while after you applied, but this happens to every first time user. It's nothing to worry about, and it means it will penetrate and focus on the areas and skin in need of work. Just try to ignore the sting and pain. Don't forget to rub some over the neck area. Next stage, I usually do this routine on the night time so that the ingredients do their magic overnight over my entire face while I'm sleeping away during the night. Okay guys, so my camera actually stopped, not sure why, but let me just read what the person said. The next stage is, I usually do this in the morning. I usually do this routine in the night, on the night time, so the ingredients can do their magic overnight over my face while I'm sleeping away during the night. I put in my earphones and listen to relaxing music, sounds, or even listen to a podcast till I eventually fall asleep. So I'm guessing the person doesn't wash it off. Your skin will be impeccable when you wake up next morning. Wash it off after 10 minutes. After washing off the next morning, your skin will transform into smooth, light skin. So you can go to work or college, university with 10 out of 10 skin. Heads will turn. I think this person is just trolling. The person has to be trolling. This could never be a thing. This could never be a thing. And the person also said, your skin won't be perfect straight away, but will be 90% a improvement, and guarantee 6 days later your skin will be smoother than a slide. No lumps or bumps, and your overall skin tone will be flawless and seamless as one, all over your face. Enjoy, and can't wait for you to try this routine and reply back to me with your result. Glow inside and outside. First and foremost, nobody's going to reply to this comment because I am going to stop it, or I have stopped it, because this is some total garbage, total rubbish, and I'm just going to just call it for what it is. This is total rubbish, total garbage. You should not in any way, shape, or form using like micro needling and those micro whatever they do use, micro needling, micro blading, what did she call it, derma rollers or micro needling. You shouldn't be using that on your face and then using the peeling solution like micro needling, derma rolling, and all of those things. If you want to do that in your routine, it's fine, you can do that, but just know all of the, read up and research what you want. I'm not going to recommend it because I don't use it on my skin, and I have never tried it, I have never researched it, and so forth. So I'm not going to do it on my skin, so I'm not going to tell you to do it. But if you want to do it, that's up to you. But you're not going to use the ordinary, and common sense tells you you cannot use the ordinary peeling solution as a very active ingredients. It has AHAs and BHAs, and it has glycolic acid, it has lactic acid, it has citric acid, it has salicylic acid, it has hyaluronic. This ingredient has so many acids. The acids will work by themselves. They don't need help from anything. They're very powerful, and this is the reason why the ordinary recommends that you use it for 10 minutes, because it is potent by itself. It doesn't need any help from any type of tool or anything. And the next thing is micro needling and all of these things. She said that something about to make the product soak into the skin a little better, to let the product soak into the skin a little better. The product does not need to soak into the skin or soak deep down into the layers of the skin, because that's not what the product is supposed to do. The product is basically acting as an exfoliator. So it means that it is supposed to be exfoliating your dead skin, so that when you go in with your serums and the different skin treatments or acne treatments or ingredients, it will sink into your skin. The ingredients that you apply, like the serums, are supposed to sink into the skin. The treatments that you get to apply, the leave-on treatments, yes, those are supposed to sink into the skin. We're not trying to let the peeling, whatever is in the peeling solution, we're not trying to let it sink into the skin or do anything to the skin. We're basically using the mask or the peeling solution to strip the dead skin so that the products can actually work. Okay, so you don't need to use any derma roller or micro needling and all of that on your skin, because that's very, very dangerous, and I would never ever in the history of life recommend something like that. That is very harmful to the skin. And I thought that this was like maybe I was thinking that maybe this is just a troll comment and they're just saying that because they want to attention. But then I saw James Welsh or Robert? James Welsh, like the twin Robert and James. One does makeup, one does skincare. Because I love James and I love Robert. I just love the both of them. Like the twins, British. I just love how they speak and just how they look. Everything about them. I just love their personality. But I was watching James recently and he was talking about some TikTok fails or some stuff that they weren't supposed to be doing. And he mentioned this guy, and the guy was actually doing the same thing that this girl was is actually talking about. So I'm thinking maybe it's a thing. That's what everybody is doing. But guys, do not, I beg you, do not do anything crazy like this, because this is stupidness. Okay, this is stupidness and you're just going to damage your skin, and this is total garbage, period. Okay, very good. So I'm glad I just settled that. So what I'm going to be talking about, I'm just going to give you some additional information based on the comment section of my videos. People have been asking, like, can I use a glycolic acid toner after the peeling solution and so forth? What toner should I use after the peeling solution? Like, first and foremost, you shouldn't be using toners after the peeling solution, because a toner does not come in after the peeling solution. A toner would not come in after that step or stage. Like, a toner would actually come in after you use your cleanser. So after a cleanser, you would add your toner. I would not recommend using the glycolic acid toner in that type of routine. So if you're going to exfoliate your skin, I wouldn't recommend using the glycolic acid toner, because the peeling solution already has all of those powerful ingredients and it's going to exfoliate your skin. The glycolic acid toner is an exfoliating toner. I wouldn't recommend using toner in general, but if you wanted to use a toner, I would say use something that's hydrating. And I think there's this particular toner that I'm definitely going to try out, because it's a hydrating toner. It's called the Good Molecules toner. It has a lot of hydrating ingredients. So if you cleanse your face and you actually want to go in with a toner, I would say just cleanse your face, use your toner, and then make sure your skin is dry and apply the peeling solution. But for me, I would totally recommend not using a toner in general. Just cleanse your skin, apply the peeling solution, go in with your moisturizer. If you want to go in with niacinamide or alpha arbutin, go in with those. Like, take that with a grain of salt, because not everybody's skin can manage a lot of, extra stuff on it. But that's what I would recommend. And I would recommend using cleansers that are hydrating, because I've been also asked, what can I use before? What kind of cleanser should I use? Should I use an exfoliating cleanser or a wash? I would say avoid anything that's going to exfoliate the skin, because you're actually going to yes guys, as I was saying, just avoid any type of cleanser, moisturizer with ingredients that have like maybe salicylic acid and so forth. Any type of acne treatment, benzoyl peroxide or anything like that, just avoid those things and make sure that you're using hydrating stuff for your skin, because we don't want to do the skin any harm. Okay, and please do not follow any type of microblading, micro needling, derma rolling, and don't do it. Don't follow anyone, because the Ordinary does not recommend stuff like that. That is total garbage. Okay, garbage skincare, garbage, like foolishness. Okay, yes, so just make sure that you're hydrating your skin. Use your hydrating cleansers, gel-like cleansers, face wash. Make sure it's hydrating. If you do want to, or you have to go in with a toner, make sure it's hydrating, and make sure that you apply your toner right after your cleanser, not after the peeling solution. Okay, yes, and use your hydrating moisturizers, and don't use the glycolic acid toner with this or in this routine with the peeling solution, because it's not necessary, because you're already applying something that has a high concentration of glycolic acid. Okay, so we're already exfoliating with the mask. We don't need to use an exfoliating toner. Okay, So this is what I have to say, and please be cautious and be careful, and to not let stupidity take over your skincare routine, and make sure that you're following reliable sources. Follow the instructions that the ordinary recommend. Don't follow other instructions from other random people that just sit and make up some foolishness for you to damage your skin. Okay? Yes, and the peeling solution is supposed to exfoliate the dead skin that you have so that your products can work. Your products are actually supposed to sink into the skin. So when you use the peeling solution, then your products that you're going to use on your skin, your serums and so forth, then they can sink into your skin so that they can be effective. Okay? And as I said before, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Avoid the acids. Okay? So that's it for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.